This is the mower deck for this lawnmower, and I've just had it off because I had to replace the belt that makes the wheels go. And I've been using this mower to mow down some really rough grass, including saplings, so I want to establish just how big a tree can I mow down with this mower. Well, I think that tree was about the limit for what this lawnmower could handle. But it's not wrecked. I've done this sort of thing with it before.